Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to explore API in DEM vulnerable web application at the medium security level. Before we go ahead, if you don't mind, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. So now, let's get started. First of all, we need to set security level to medium. And then we can navigate to API. So here, look at the call used to update your name and exploit it to elevate your user to a domain. Okay, the username is this one. Currently, the privilege or the level is user, not a domain. And we can try to submit, but nothing returned. Maybe it would be better to launch Burp Suite to analyze request and response between the client and the server. Let's do it now. And we can launch Burp Suite. Next, and start Burp Suite. All right, let me make the window larger, and then at the top, maybe we do not need to enable intercept option. I just want to get or find or look for API in the points. Okay, let me refresh and submit. And here we can navigate to HTTP history. Here we can add this sub-tab. We can see everything. Okay, so here we find API. This is what I input manually. And this one, yes, got this user. This is the same as the low security level. Oh, not exactly the same. And here we get this one or access this point, we can get such response. Okay. So how about we change this to 1? Oh, we can send this request to, here, put. This means we can put or post information. So the response, but now, or by default, this body doesn't contain ID and the level. So how about we put the ID and the level? For example, I can copy this and paste in here. Oh, not, I cannot copy. We can send this request to a repeater, and then we can manipulate the request here. For example, I can put the ID, right? The ID. So now I can copy, right? I can copy. Yes. And then level. But the level I want to set it to 0 because currently the level is 1 and level 1 is normal user. I want to set it to a domain. Okay, so now let's go back to the repeater and send it. Now the level has been changed to 0. So now let's access this page one more time. Refresh and go to the history. Yes, but it's still level 1. So maybe we need to do this way. Okay, let me go back and enable intercept option and submit. So now I can put the ID, also the level, to 0 and forward. So now let me, oh, well done. You elevated your user to admin. So I think this means we cannot elevate privilege in the repeater or module. Interesting. Anyhow, we have already elevated the current user to admin, by manipulating request body. Okay? So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I'd like to see you in the next one. Bye. Have a good day.